All right, friends, welcome to Nassau Bahamas, where you can see there's the ship. We're here pretty much all day till about 7 o'clock. This is the port of Bahamas, of Nassau, Bahamas. Slowly getting on the bus, guys. Well, friends, here is the lunch. I don't know what kind it is, what restaurant, but here's their lunch. Rice, mac and cheese, pork, and some chicken. So that's included in this trip, in this tour we're taking. We are here at the site where part of James Bond's Casino Royale was filmed, and I'm talking about the one with Daniel Craig. I think it was the opening scene. So this was, I think, in the movie set, was one of the African embassies. So this is the bar area where you can buy, mixed drinks and stuff.